Ready for it?
Yeah. And the winner is... How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we're gonna announce the winner of the giveaway that's been going on for a few weeks now. So we'll probably drop that at the end, but first, he wants to give you an update with the big old Cummins here. Some cool things are coming.
Oh yeah.
No pun intended. Are you gonna drop a hint, or what's the first thing you're gonna be doing to it here soon?
Getting a new hood because the big dent.
New hood on the way. Look at that nice love tap right there. Do you even know how that happened? No.
For me.
It was on the truck when he bought it. So new hood on the way. He got a new factory grill replacement. Just came in the mail today. You're gonna be installing that here soon, right?
Oh yeah.
Yep. And here's the giveaway contenders. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'll show you guys this here in a second. So, is there any other big news that's going to be happening to this truck here soon?
Pretty soon, I'm getting all the rust fixed.
Yeah, because there's some of you guys have pointed it out in the last couple videos. It has some bad rust damage. Ignore the dirt, right?
Yep.
Been dailying it to and from work, but some rust that needs taken care of. Is it just mainly on the rockers or anywhere else?
This is the only spot.
Only spot? And the other side, right? Oh, just this side? It's probably primarily on this side because, you know, a lot of the dirt and salt and winter slush is along the center line of the road instead of on the edge, but that rust will be getting fixed here soon. Now after that, a little question, I don't know if you want to leave them with a teaser or not. You gonna be painting it?
It's gonna be getting painted.
Oh yeah. No custom wraps here. No? Maybe eventually?
Maybe eventually.
Maybe eventually. You leaving it the same color?
No.
No? Oh, don't lose that. We need them. Our subscribers will be getting mad at us. But maybe that's a sign that we gotta, you know, pick the winner here. It's getting kind of cold out. All right, guys, this is everybody that entered into the giveaway. As you can see, the list here on the right was from the very first video I announced the giveaway. Those people that followed the Instagram and commented get double the entries to win. And then this piece is everybody else that entered in normally. So you guys can pause this and verify that your name's on there. So we're gonna be cutting that up, putting it in the bucket there, and drawing the winner. You ready?
Yep. What are you doing?
You're gonna cut them out, put them in here.
Are you like single slices?
Yeah, each line. Just a little square for each person.
Why would you cut these out inside?
Because I wanted to film it. To verify that everybody's on here. It's easier to look at a big piece of paper than little slips. We're not professionals at giveaway here.
Whoa! What?
We're losing people's names already. Oh, put that under there. That just goes to prove, again, we're not professionals at giveaways, but we're learning. This is the second one we did, and it's obviously a lot bigger than the first one. But more is yet to come, so subscribe.
Where am I supposed to put my slices?
In here.
Then move it over here. You're taking too long.
I don't know if people can see us or not.
I don't think you doing is talking.
I gotta talk.
No.
More giveaways are yet to come when we grow the channel, so be sure you guys are subscribed. Oh, Johnny Boy's name's right there. He entered. I should pull his name out. He shouldn't even be eligible. What if the bin just flew away and all the pieces went everywhere? It is kind of windy out. Everybody's in there. Oh. You want to give it a good old shaking? Toss it around like the salad. Alrighty. You gonna pick it or you want me to pick it?
I don't care.
Alright, you pick the last one. You can pick this one too. Oh, what the? Why are they all stuck in there? All right, well, open it up and flip it around a little bit. Just use your hand and go.
Hey! We're good. They're all loose.
It's so cold, they're freezing up in there. Come on. My hands are cold. Hey, you ain't allowed to look.
There it is.
Don't drop any on the ground.
I can't even feel the paper. You ready for it?
Yeah. And the winner is.
Oh. Oh.
That might need.
I got what? How many I got now?
One. Who is it?
Broke Boy Willie. No, Broke Boy Willie.
Broke Boy Willie.
Broke Boy Willie.
All right, man, you're the winner of the giveaway. Congrats to Willie.
Congrats to Willie.
Hey, let us know if you want this piece of paper too.
Yeah,
We'll mail it to you with everything else you won.
so
That concludes our giveaway. I'll be DMing you on Instagram, and I'll also put up your name right here on the screen. There you go.
that's the sacred piece of paper right here. Yeah. Congrats.
Oh yeah, congrats.
Anything else you want to say with the Cummins? He got his camo windshield on. Actually, his windshield's invisible right now. I can't even see it.
Yeah.
And getting kind of cold out here in the berg. So,
I think we're gonna go down and talk to you guys about the old Cummins. There might be something we want to say about that. I already told you a few little things we want to do with this truck, and there's a lot more to come that we didn't tell you. We got to leave you guys on a hook just a little bit to keep you guys interested and entertained here. So we're going to run down to the old truck. If you guys are new, this will be a new truck for you, and if you guys are old, I'm sure you guys will remember it. But we're going to head down there real quick, and we'll see you there.
Very soon, big changes. Big's the key word.
to what?
This truck.
Oh, this rig.
This truck.
You heard it from him here first.
Yep.
Well, there she is, folks. You haven't seen her in a while. You want to say anything about it?
Gotta do something with it if there's enough support behind it.
Yeah, a little something, something.
Yep.
Now, a lot of you guys have been asking about potentially doing a rebuild series on this truck. He hasn't completely dismissed the idea. The engine and trans is still good in the truck, even though it still leaks like a big old battleship.
Yep.
But we're tossing around that idea here a little bit if there's enough support behind it. And if not, you know, we might do something else cool with it. We don't know yet. But there's a potential rebuild series for this truck in the future.
Oh yeah.
Shouldn't be too hard to fix. We might do a cab swap, or we might just get the porta power and push the big dent out of the cab and potentially just might get a new bed for it. Oh, you already got trees growing in it. Jeez, it hasn't been here that long.
I don't know who put that there.
I thought you had a tree growing out of it.
But yeah, she's still sitting here. Have you started it recently?
No.
Maybe you should. Not right now,
Oh, yeah.
but he took the batteries out of it. But
Probably flush everything out, drain the oil, put everything fresh.
maybe you put some new seals in it, since you got to pull the motor anyways.
Yeah.
And you'll actually have a truck that doesn't leak, because that one up there still leaks too.
Get a sleeper.
So this video is a little bit shorter than usual. We just wanted to give you guys an update with the trucks and what's been going on, and of course announce the giveaway winner. Congrats to Broke Willie. Is that his name? Broke
Broke Boy Willie.
Broke Boy Willie. Congrats on winning the giveaway. I'm sure we'll be doing some more here in the future. You know, we'll keep making them bigger and bigger as the channel grows. So that just goes to say, make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on anything. Help us keep growing the channel, and we'll keep giving back to you guys. And go follow the new Instagram. I'll put the @ down in the bottom corner, so we always update you guys on the builds and the giveaways there. We'll be posting more to it here in the future now that this giveaway is over. And we're trying to grow that as well, so make sure you guys go give that a follow. Anything you want to say?
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I guess I'll just end it with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you guys on the next one.